Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show right here is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is Tuesday the 25th of May. We are almost done. We're almost into June. I hope you're having a good month so far. I wanted to talk to you about something with Fiverr today. And if you're not getting work, and you're not getting a lot of impressions, or you might not be getting any impressions, this might be a reason. And this is something that's important, especially also if you're adding more gigs. When I was starting out early on in my career on Fiverr, if you will, or trying to get things going, I would put up a new gig, I would make changes, trying to generate more business, trying to get more impressions. And, I'd wait a little bit and I'd go on to Fiverr and I'd search around and I could not find my gig anywhere. And I would go through all of the pages. I would go through, front all the way to the back, start at the back and go all the way up. I couldn't find it. And what I came to find out is after messaging Fiverr over and over and over again for months about different things I was trying to accomplish, is that Fiverr, and no fault of their own, but Fiverr, might not have indexed your gig. It might not actually be indexed in the pool or whatever of gigs that are showing up. So if you don't see your gig, all right, it's possible that they haven't actually indexed it, in which case you need to message Fiverr and you need to get them to make sure that they either reset, all right, the cache or something on your gig or whatever in the back end so that it gets indexed. This happened to me a great deal. And it happened it was happening a bunch of times, especially when I was first starting out. So it's really important that you make sure in the beginning, especially, that you're keeping up with your gigs, where their standings are, because if you don't, you're not going to be able, people aren't going to be able to find them. So that's something that I wanted to discuss because I was working with someone and we were talking about that and they're like, listen, I can't find my gigs. I don't know where they are. You know what I mean? And we found that they weren't indexed. All right. And they have to be indexed. And that means sometimes you actually do literally have to message Fiverr. Now, if you post something and then you go right on after you post it and you can't find it, give it a day, give it 24 hours or something. Okay. But if after that, it's not, you're not seeing it, you can't find it. Okay. And the only impressions you seem to be getting are the ones that you look at your gig, you might need to get it indexed. Okay. So, that's just a quick tip. I wanted to share that with you. That's something that I feel could really help, all right, with what you're doing. And remember too, part of this about indexing is I was talking about creating new gigs. Make sure you're getting up all of your gigs, whether it's on Fiverr, whether it's on Upwork, whether it's on People Per Hour. Right now, those three platforms have a really good gig system. Okay, I'm calling them gigs, their offerings, whatever you want to call them. They have a really good system. And if you have 7 gigs up on Fiverr, you should have 7 gigs up on Upwork, and you should have 7 gigs up on People Per Hour. If you've got 10 on Fiverr, you should have 10, just keep it rolling, keep putting out, because right now, those are the things that are selling really well and without you having to chase down business. Okay, so just some thoughts. Hopefully this will help you out. Make sure you take a moment, if you would be so kind, to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And as always, if you are looking to grow your voiceover business, head over to go to avosjourney.com, not voices.com, although that's, that's a pay-to-play website, but avosjourney.com. If you're looking to grow your business, we've got some great courses over there to help you out, as well as some links below. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.